Hi, it's Greg Jameson, and I want to show you today how you can build a sales funnel inside of WordPress without buying any expensive additional software that might cost you as much as $100 a month. We're going to build this sales funnel right inside of WordPress with no additional software. Let's get started. So what I have is a page that is a typical sales funnel. We have some awesome headline at the top to attract people's attention. We might have a subheadline below that to describe the offer further. Then we have a video, and the video is typically going to be a sales video where you are showing people how to use a product and entice them to buy it. Below that, we might have some additional sales copy. It could be testimonials. It could be product specs, whatever other information you want to give your potential customer. And then, of course, at the bottom, our call to action, the purchase button. And the purchase button is the thing that's really going to be critical. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. The first thing I want to show you is that we don't have any navigation on this page at all, except for the purchase button. Somebody comes to this page, they can't go see all of our other menu options. The only choice they have is to either purchase the product or leave by closing that window. Now, if I click on Edit Page, then the template is the item that controls all of that additional navigation. Most of the time when you build a WordPress page, it's going to say that the template is the default template. We want to change this to blank page so that we remove all of that extraneous navigation. And then we'll update the page. We're then going to edit this page with the Divi Builder. Now you can utilize any page builder that you want to. It can be Divi, it can be Elementor, it can be the built-in Gutenberg editor with WordPress. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is going to be the actual link that is attached to that button. So I'm going to come down and click on that button and go to the link, and you will see that we have our domain name .com / the next page that we're going to go to, in this case, an upsell page demo, followed by a question mark, add to cart equals 8714 is what I have here, but it's the product ID, and the quantity equals 1. So this part immediately following the page that you want to go to next is the important part, where we say add to cart equals the product ID and quantity equals 1. I'll make sure that that link is in the blog post so that you can copy that as well. Now, the product ID, where I got that from, is on the back end of our WordPress website. If I go to all of our products and I roll over a particular product, we can see right here that it says ID equals 8714. So that's the product ID that we're going to add to the cart. We come back to our editor and we go ahead and save this page. And let's exit the Visual Builder. Now, the next thing that we want to do is, we said we were going to go to that upsell page demo on the button. So let's take a look at this page, and I'm going to enable the Visual Builder for this page. And we can see that we have a upsell headline here. We're going to add in any other information that we want to about our upsell. It could be another video where we're explaining the benefits of this particular upsell. It could just be a product image with some sales copy, however we want to do it. Again, the important part is going to be the button. And in this case, I also put in a link that says, no, thanks, I don't need to learn anymore. Let's take a look at these. The button, if I click on the link, it's our domain name.com / the page name again, but in this case, we're going to take them to the checkout. We're not going to take them to another upsell page, although we could add upsell page after upsell page if we want to. I wouldn't recommend trying to do more than 3 upsells in your sales funnel, but we're going to go to the checkout page, question mark, add to cart equals our product ID and quantity equals 1. The no thanks, I don't need to learn anymore. The link is exactly the same without adding the cart information in there. So we're just going to go to our domain name.com /checkout. So let's go ahead and save this page and exit the builder. Let's go back to our actual landing page for our sales funnel, and let's test this out. We're going to purchase this awesome product now. We click on that button, takes us to the link for the upsell info, and that's what we wanted. Yes, I want the membership option too. I click on it. And it now takes me to the checkout page where we can see that I have added web stores in a box and the VIP membership. The great thing about this is that I can utilize this same technique that we put on this landing page. This could be an email rather than having it be on a landing page. We could go ahead and put a link to the video if we wanted to inside of an email. But more importantly, this link right here, if we sell them on the product, we could have our email actually be the beginning of our funnel.